here we have it. We got our burger, homemade burger, super fast, 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Boom. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. What does it taste like? Damn, I can't even talk. Hella good or what? Does it beat? Only half your face is showing.
Okay.
Does it beat In-N-Out or is it similar? She's like, I think about it. I don't know about all that. It beats it? Wow.
I don't know. It's like heavy. It's not heavy. It doesn't feel heavy, but it is heavy.
Well, not really. The only heavy things there are the bun and the patty, but okay, it's interesting that you said
In-N-Out is heavy because, you know.
It's interesting that you say it's better, it passes it. Well, because I put love into my food, you know what I mean? Like, at the fast food chains, you know, you're probably just, everybody's just going like in chinga, you know, hella fast. You know, they're not really paying attention to the love that they're supposed to be putting into the food. I mean, now, if I were to be selling these, probably, like, it probably wouldn't taste the same, you know what I mean? Because I'd have to, like, get it out, like, really fast, so I don't know, maybe. But it always has to do with, like, simple stuff, you know?
It didn't take long.
I know, it was, like, 10-15 minutes.
Like
not even
15, 20.
Okay, 10, 15, 20. One of those. It's because, you know, I get distracted and shit, but anyway, let me take a bite of this because, oh no, it's falling apart. It's, like, so juicy, you know, it's falling apart. Gross.
Okay.
One more time. Because that shit was nasty. Why did it cut off? Alright. One bite, because look, this shit's falling apart. Mmm. Mmm. Why did I take only a little tiny bite of that chile? Because that shit is spicy. Maybe not to you. Not to her, but
I was like, shit.
it's spicy to me.
Just look up.
You just got home from work. Oh my god. Alright, anyway. I don't know if I'm going to be posting this video, but if I do, thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, a like, if you did like it. I don't know. I don't fucking know.
You should.
And subscribe. Just subscribe, you know. Share it with somebody. I'll see you guys later.